When viewing reports in Chaos Control Cloud, it's possible to share filters applied on one report across to other reports. To illustrate this, we'll apply a filter to our product item sales report. We'll use the Filters button to change the date range to start from the 1st of January 2018. We'll now apply the filter. This has returned all our product item sales for the date range we've just specified. We'll now use the Actions button to turn on shared filters. We'll now close this report and open up our customer sales report. By going to the Filters button, we can see that the same date range filter we applied earlier has also been applied on this report. The same filter will have been applied on all reports on this screen, and we can see this by going to the Filters button on a third report. Bear in mind that only filters appropriate to the screen that you're looking at will be applied. For example, a customer creation date filter won't be visible on a product sales report. To turn off filter sharing, we simply click the option again in the Actions menu.